G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. First piece, whether that's a crack right through or not sure. If it is, then you cut 2 small stones. If it's just where it's cleaved apart, you might be able to rub that down and end up with one larger stone. The decision is yours, of course. Second piece, nice pretty little picture stone, blotch and colour through the middle there. Last one needs to be rubbed down to reveal the stone that comes through here. Looks like it's got a nice amount of fire on it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.